Hey my friends, how are you? So I've got a lot going on. Absolute heat wave at the moment, so I'm just trying to survive that. But I'm just, oops-a-daisy. Broke. So I've just been doing some of the work on the underneath of the Panther. So I want to get the wheels on, so I'm getting this underneath part done. So I've just added some pigments, so some dark earth and just some regular earth. You can see the variance there. And then I applied a burnt umber oil wash, just a very sort of filter kind of one. And I'll go and, once that all dries up, the oil dries up, so we'll give it till tomorrow. And then we'll attack it with some dry pigments, getting them, in there and getting all the proper muddy look going on. So the turret's just getting some initial chips, so where it's missing its zimmerit. And I just put down a little bit of initial chipping, and yeah, I'll colour that in khaki or something. Should look nice. So we've got a lot of figures going on. Got this little Panther chick happening. She's not easy to paint, but I got the initial skin tones on last night with a brush, and it was very difficult to get those initial skin tones on without getting it all over the nice black work that I've done. But it's a start, and you've got to start somewhere. So that'll just build up the colours. So I've just got the bottom of his pants sealed up with that liquid sealant, and I'm going to give his top a paint, spray paint. This guy is interesting. So I put a lighter and a cigarette case in his hat. Really nice gun strap. Very nice little figures. And I did the winter camo pattern. Haven't finished it yet on his pants. So this is that guy that was too black to show last time. Starting to come together now, and his partner is this fella. So I learnt a bit from doing the winter camo on this guy, so that's why this guy's winter camo pattern looks a bit better. So I don't know, I think I might wait for a stug to put these guys on, because I got something new to show you, the new crew, Resin crew. But I'm not sure if I'm going to use them. The Hobby Boss figures are okay. But after doing resin figures and all that, they're pretty lame-o. But I'm going to put a gun strap on him and all that, so these guys are coming along alright. So, over here, I've just got been working on some resin figures. I'm working on a machine gun crew now. This is for my 43-44 box winter. So for the dioramas are 43-44 winter, and these guys are for 44-45 winter. So these will be the Hungarian ones in Hungary. So they'll be going with my late Panther 4 and the mobile wagon and all that. And these guys are for a more, the counter-attack in Kharkov. Yeah. His gun strap's very nice. I used the fabric sling one. And I had to use mini art there, and a mini art gun. The mini art gun looks a hell of a lot better than the resin one that was included. And there's just heaps more bits to put on. We've got an MG there, all that. So I'll show you the resin figures that I got. So I've got some new ones if I can find them. Not sure where they went. I think I know where they went. I made some new boxes. That's right, new storage boxes out of the old cat food boxes. So I just put paper on them and glued them in, and there's the new figures. All right, got to keep organised. So these are stolen, I guess it's called. It's a store called Tusk Models. It's on AliExpress. So I've got these guys here. That's the first one. He's surrendering. Another surrendering guy. And then there's this Panther crew. So here's the first guy, the Panther crew. This is what I'm talking about for the Panther. They're sort of looking up to see if there's an aeroplane coming. They look pretty good too. So they're nice. And then the rest of the crew. So we got some good figures. Shows you a picture. That's the commander. He looks really cool. So you get a guy that's sitting. Another one looking out. They're all looking out for sort of, they've got interesting sort of winter uniforms on. That's the commander. So they look really good. So I don't know if I'll use them for the Panther. Not sure. Alright guys, I'll keep working away. This is a 2-man machine gun crew I'm working on, so they'll be the next ones. And then, you know, I might make this Panther crew up and see what they look like on the Panther. Because there's more accessories in this kit here. There's a couple of boxes and stuff like that, so we'll see what they look like. And we'll put the crew on, see if it looks any good, and just paint up all these figures and see what looks good where. Yeah, just put them in a box and they can be certain errors, you know what I mean? And then I can just put them instantly into dioramas as we go. This year will be a big year, hopefully. Alright guys, I'll speak to you again soon.